Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 139 Brower Road in Spencerport.
This is an amazing property in a private nature setting and at a terrific value. So let's take a tour.
Upon entering this home, you're greeted with a soaring cathedral ceiling great room with a living and dining area with deck access and an adjacent kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, all with scenic nature views. The first floor also features 3 spacious bedrooms, including a master and a full bathroom, while a separate level provides a spacious family room, plus a 4th bedroom and full bathroom, which would make a fantastic in-law suite.
This property is situated at the end of a private driveway with 3/4 of an acre. Here we are in the charming village of Spencerport.
That's right, Spencerport has great restaurants and shops and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 139 Brower Road in Spencerport.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!